Good morning, children of grade 8. I welcome you all for the today's English class. So, children, today in this session we are going to see two compositions. So, children, already we have completed four compositions, that is formal letter, informal letter, notice writing, and diary entry. So, in this session we are going to see the next composition, that is article writing, that is our exercise number 5, and exercise number 6, that is report writing. Let's move into the class. Children, before getting into the session, let us know about what is meant by composition. The word composition means combining or putting together parts to form a whole. Composition can apply to many works of human endeavor. In fact, anything that is arranged or put together using conscious thoughts. Also, the Oxford Dictionary defines the word composition as the word something whole or a mixture is made up. So, a composition takes several ideas and puts them in an order so that the reader can understand an idea or argument. That is known as composition, children. So, children, in today's composition part, let us see the fifth exercise, that is article writing. Children, let's see the detailed study of article writing with its format and tips. Children, let us know about what is meant by article writing first. So look at here the definition for the article writing. An article is an expression of one's thoughts on an issue or a subject logically and coherently written in a meaningful paragraphs. So, article is an expression of one's thoughts on an issue or a subject logically and coherently written in a meaningful paragraph. Okay, children, that is the definition for article writing. And writing an article is a challenging task. So, next thing, writing an article is a challenging task. It needs creativity, good vocabulary, good knowledge of the subject, and skill to organize the ideas. So, writing an article is a challenging task, even though if you want to write an article, you need to have a better creativity, good vocabulary skill, good knowledge of the subject, and skill to organize all your ideas. So, this is known as article writing, children. Next thing, let's see the purpose of writing an article writing. So, here the purpose to focus on the issue of social concern. So, to just pinpoint to highlight the social concern and narrating an events, description of a place, etc. We are writing article writing. So, this is the purpose of writing article writing, children. To focus on an issue of social concern, narrating an event and description of a place, we are just writing this type of composition, that is article writing, children. So that is the purpose of writing an article writing. Let's see the format now. Look at here the format. First you need to write heading, that is title must be catchy and sharp. So you have to use proper catchy and short crisp title for the article. Then written by. So in the next format, after the title you have to mention the name of the writer, author, that is writing the article, that is that person's name be mentioned down the title area. So first one, you need to write the heading, or it can be called it as title. That should be catchy and short, that is short. And the next thing is written by the name of the author, by whom it is written. the name of the author, must that name should be mentioned there. Next, then body. So now coming to the body area, you can write according to the article title. So first paragraph must be the introduction part. Start with the slogan or a question or an amazing fact or figure of statement. Next, second and third paragraph, that should be about the content, causes, effects, and the present state of affairs, etc. That should be explained in the second and third paragraph. And the last fourth paragraph, that should be about the concluding part of the paragraph of the article writing. That is the conclusion. Draw solution and the conclusion for the given title. So this is the format of writing, article writing, children. First you need to write the title. That must be catchy and short. Next line you have to write the name of the author. That can be your name or any other name can be mentioned in that place. Then coming to the body, that is the content area. Here first paragraph must be about the introduction. That can be with starting with the slogan or question or amazing fact. With that you can start. And second and third paragraph must be about the content, and that should be clearly described about the causes and the effects and the present state of affair. That can be explained over there in the second and third paragraph. And finally at last in the fourth paragraph, that is the conclusion part. There you have to draw solution. You have to give some solution and conclusion for the given title. So this is the format for writing article writing. So children, as I told you from the previous format, first the ingredients of writing an article. First must be the title of the article, then writer's name, then body, that is the content, their main part of the article, introduction, descriptive paragraph, then additional some information, then finally with the conclusion. So this is the format of writing article writing, children. So children, let's start our today's composition, that is exercise number 5. So write the date 29/10/20, children, and write the title as article writing. So question must be written always in the left side of your composition note, children. So article writing, 5th exercise, date 29/10/20. This question should be written in the left side of your composition note, children. So look at here. So draw the lines, write neatly, write in black pen, children. So the title, question, everything should be written in black pen. So use your black stick, children. Exercise number 5, date 29/10/20. Write the title in the center of the page, that is article writing. That I was written in the page. The same way you have to write in your composition note. Then look at the question here. Let me read the question first. Even after about 7 decades of independence, women have to walk miles together in certain parts of the country to fetch water. Then listen to the question. Even after about 7 decades of independence, women have to walk miles together in certain parts of the country to fetch water. Next point. There is not only the scarcity of water, but water in most places is also contaminated. Contaminated means polluted. Okay, so I'll repeat. There is not only the scarcity of water, but water in most places is also contaminated. Write an article on the scarcity of clean drinking water in the country. Also, suggest how this problem can be solved. Okay, children. So this is the question. I'll repeat. Even after 7 decades, decades means a period of 10 years. That means for past 70 years of independence. That is the meaning, children. After 7 decades of independence, women have to walk miles together in certain parts of CERTAIN, certain parts of the country to fetch, FETCH, fetch water. There is not only the scarcity means shortage, scarcity, not enough, okay, SCARCITY, scarcity of water, but water in most places is also contaminated, CON, TA, ta, MIME, NA, TAD, contaminated. Okay, children, write an article on the scarcity of clean drinking water in the country. Also, suggest how this problem can be solved. B, that is B, children, can be solved. So, this is the question for our exercise number 5, article writing. This should be written in the left side of your notebook, children. Okay, that's all from the question. Let's move on to the right side, that is the answer page of our article writing. So children, this is the right side part, that is the answer for our composition article writing. So this side also you should write exercise number 5, 29/10/20 date, then the title article writing, that must be in the center of the page. Draw lines, children. So should be follow in both the sides, that is left side also you should write the same, right side also you should write the title same. Then moving on to the explanation part of the article writing here. As we saw from the format, first we need to give a catchy title, that is the first step article writing. So see here, the title was given as the scarcity of clean drinking water. The scarcity of clean drinking water. Underline the heading. Then by Anu. I have given the name Anu. You can also write your own name in that place instead of Anu. Okay. So first you need to write the title. Then by the author, you have to write by author name, Anu or something else. Okay. So that's all from the title and the name, write a name part. Next we are moving on to the content, that is the body of the article writing. Look at here. First we are going to introduce the title, something introduction that should be given for the scarcity of the clean drinking water. So I'll read it for you, children. Look at here. You have to write the title first, that is scarcity of clean drinking water, then the author name by Anu. Then see here the body of the article writing, that is first paragraph. Look at the first paragraph. Many people, MANY, many people believe, BELIEVE, believe that the Third World War will be fought, FOUGHT, fought. That means the past tense form of fight, children. Okay, so will be fought on the issue, ISSUE, issue of water. I'll repeat the first line again. Many people believe that the Third World War will be fought on the issue of water. Look at the next point. The statement doesn't seem to be exaggerated. Exaggerated means something shown to be as a big issue. Okay, so I'll repeat, the statement doesn't seem to be exaggerated. XAGGERATED, exaggerated. Exaggerated. That is the word, children. The statement doesn't seem to be exaggerated. Look at the third line. The constant degradation of the environment has played havoc. The word, see here, the constant degradation of the environment has played havoc. Havoc means it is a widespread destruction. Widespread destruction. That is the meaning for the word havoc. HAVOC. Havoc with water bodies. With water bodies and water resources. So that is the introduction and the first paragraph of our article writing, the scarcity of clean drinking water. Look at here, I'll repeat the first paragraph again, children. Many people believe that the Third World War will be fought on the issue of water. Second line, the statement doesn't seem to be exaggerated. The constant degradation of the environment has played havoc with water bodies and water resources. So that is the introduction part of our article, children. Then let's move on to the next paragraph. Here we are going to discuss about the cause and effects and the present state of affair. Present affairs, everything we are going to see in the second paragraph, children. So look at here. It is quite unfortunate that even after nearly 7 decades, as I told you before, decades means it's a period of 10 years. So here, for the past 70 years of independence, that is the meaning here. It is quite, Q-U-I-T-E, quite unfortunate, U-N, F-O-R, for T-U, to N-A-T-E, Nate. Unfortunate that even after nearly 7 decades of independence, India has not been able to provide clean drinking water to its swelling population. Swelling means increasing. What is the meaning here? Increasing population, children. So I'll repeat the line again. It is quite unfortunate that even after nearly 7 decades of independence, India has not been able to provide clean drinking water to its swelling population. Its swelling, SWELLING, swelling population. So that is the first point, children. Let's move on to the second point of the paragraph. Moreover, water in most places is contaminated. Contaminated means, as I already told you, it means polluted. Okay, so spoiled. Water was spoiled. It cannot be taken for drinking. It is everything. All the water bodies were contaminated, polluted. So, moreover, water in most places is contaminated. Next point. Women in India have to walk for miles to fetch water in many areas. Even now, women in India, they are just walking for miles to fetch. Fetch means to take water in many of the areas around India. Instead of areas, you can mention village. In villages, even in villages, it is continuing nowadays. Even the people of village, they are just suffering a lot for getting a clean drinking water. So, women in India have to walk for miles to fetch water in many areas. So that is the third point. Look at the fourth point here, children. The situation in certain states is quite alarming. Yes, is quite alarming. Rajasthan, look at the next point. The situation in certain states is quite alarming. Next point, Rajasthan and Gujarat are the worst affected states. So these two states are very much affected due to the scarcity of clean drinking water, children. Rajasthan and Gujarat are the worst affected states in India. The water, look at the next point, the water level has gone abnormally, 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 the water level has gone abnormally low, low. Many wells, lakes and tanks. So, many wells, lakes and tanks. So, this is the first page of the composition, children. So, this is the second paragraph of our article writing. So I'll repeat the paragraph again. It is quite unfortunate that even after nearly 7 decades of independence, India has not been able to provide clean drinking water to its swelling population. Moreover, water in most places is contaminated. Women in India Women in India have to walk for miles to fetch water in many areas. Women in India have to walk Women in India have to walk for miles to fetch water in many areas. The situation in certain states is quite alarming. Rajasthan and Gujarat are the worst affected states. The water level has gone abnormally low. Many wells, lakes, and tanks. So, this was from the first page, children, of our article writing. Let's move on to the second page of the article writing now. Children, this is the second page of the article writing. So, if it is completed, if the page is completed for the first two paragraphs, take the next page, new page, take a fresh page and write it in the right side of your composition note. Okay. So look at here. Many wells, lakes, tanks go dry in the summer. So many wells, lakes and tanks go dry in the summer. Next point, the scarcity of water is not confined to villages. The scarcity of water is not confined to villages. The situation, situation, situation in towns and cities is even worse. The taps remain dry most of the day. The taps remain dry, REMAIN, remain dry in most of the day. Next point, the government is duty bound. The government is duty bound to provide clean drinking water to its people. So, it is the duty of the government to give clean drinking water to its people. The government is duty bound, DUTY, duty, BOUND, bound. The government is duty bound to provide clean drinking water to its people. So that is the paragraph here, children. I'll repeat the second paragraph of the article writing. It is the continuation here. Many wells, lakes and tanks go dry in the summer. So many wells, lakes and tanks go dry in the summer. The scarcity of water is not confined, CONFINED, not only in confined to villages. The situation in towns and cities is even worse. The taps remain dry most of the day. The government is duty bound to provide clean drinking water to its people. So this was the second paragraph of our article writing, children. Let's move on to the last paragraph, that is the concluding part of the article writing. Look at here, children. So this is the solution and concluding part of the article writing. So here we need to give some solution. First of all, FIRST, first of all, rivers, lakes and tanks and other water bodies must be protected and preserved. Next point, water harvesting, HARVESTING, water harvesting of the rainwater must be given the top priority. So the next point is that here water harvesting, water preserving. So water harvesting of the rainwater. So we have to preserve the rainwater. Water harvesting of the rainwater must be given the top priority. Priority means importance. Priority means first importance should be given to preserve, to save the rainwater. So that is the first point. Water harvesting of the rainwater must be given the top priority. That is the second point. First point, the rivers, lakes and tanks and water bodies must be protected and preserved. Second point is that water harvesting of the rainwater must be given the top priority. That is the second point. Then look at the third point. The people must be educated. The people must be educated. EDUCATED. Educated not to waste even a drop of water. Then third point, as a solution for the scarcity of clean drinking water, is that the people must be educated not to waste even a drop of water. So that is the third point. Next, fourth point. Water is a precious life sustaining resource. Water is a precious life sustaining resource. So water is a precious spelling PRE. Precious means that is valuable. Precious means valuable. PRECIOUS. Precious. Life sustaining. SUSS TAINING. Sustaining resource. 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 So water is a precious life sustaining resource. As a solution, this is the last point of the article writing, that for the title, the scarcity of the clean drinking water. Let us not exhaust it, let us not contaminate or misuse it. So that is the concluding line of our third paragraph for our article writing, the scarcity of clean drinking water. I'll repeat the last paragraph again, children. First of all, rivers, lakes, tanks and other water bodies must be protected and preserved. Then next point, water harvesting of the rainwater must be given the top priority. Then third point, the people must be educated not to waste even a drop of water. Then fourth point, water is a precious life sustaining. Life sustaining means it is a lifelong resource that we are receiving from the nature. So water is a precious, valuable, life sustaining resource. Let us not exhaust it, let us not contaminate or misuse it. So this is the third paragraph from the composition, children, article writing, the scarcity of clean drinking water. So children, that's all from the article writing. That is our exercise number 5. So write neatly, write clearly, legibly and follow the same format of writing article writing in your composition note, children. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is exercise number 6, report writing. Let's see what is meant by report writing with its format and tips. Children, let's see the definition of report writing. What is meant by report writing? A report is a brief account of an event that has already taken place. So listen carefully, children. A report is a brief account of an event, of an incident that has already taken place. The report helps in recording the events of importance that occur in our day-to-day life. A report that helps in recording the events of importance to occur in our day-to-day life. It attempts to present the first-hand information of an incident or event. Next line, a report of an event presents a record of events that took place. A report, this report writing, it presents the record of events that took place. A report of an event includes one's ideas, opinions and impressions about the event. So that is known as report writing, children. So listen carefully, children. I'll repeat the definition again. A report is a brief account of an event that has already taken place. A report that helps in recording the events of importance that occur in our day-to-day life. So it can be about the events and events about the importance that occurs in our day-to-day life. Then it attempts to present the first-hand information of an incident or event. So it explains the first information about the incident and event. A report of an event presents a record of events that took place. A report of an event includes one's ideas, opinions, and impression about the event. So it also includes one's ideas, opinions, impressions about that event. So that is known as report writing, children. Children, that's all from the definition of the report writing. Let's move on to the exercise, that is exercise number 6 from our composition note, report writing. Let's start our next exercise, that is exercise number 6. Write the date as 2/11/20, report writing. So look at the page, children. Write the exercise number 6, date as 2/11/20, and title must be written in the middle of the page, report writing. Write it in capital, children. Use your black stick to write this left side of your composition note to fill the title and the question. So draw lines and write neatly, children. Follow the same. Exercise number 6, date 2/11/20, report writing. So let's move on to the question for the report writing, children. Look at here. I'll read the question for you, children. You are Sweetie or Suresh of Bharati Academy. As secretary of your school co-curricular activities club, you visited a slum area in your city where the people suffered a great loss of life and property in a massive fire. Massive means huge fire accident. The students of your school rendered, rendered their services, services, service, and material, material, to help the victims. Victim means affected people. They are known as victim. Okay. So VICTIMS, victims. So the students of your school rendered their service and material to help the victims. Write a report in 100 to 125 words for your school magazine. So you are going to write a report about that incident that was happened in your locality. So you are just writing that incident in your school magazine. You are going to give a report about that incident in your school magazine. So this is the question for our report writing, children. I'll repeat. You are Sweetie or Suresh of Bharati Academy. As secretary of your school co-curricular activities club, you visited a slum area in your city where the people suffered a great loss of life and property in a massive fire. The students of your school rendered their services and material to help the victims. Write a report in 100 to 125 words for your school magazine. So this is the question, children. So write it in black stick. Write neatly. Follow the same instruction that was given here. So write it in the left side of your composition note. Question always must be written in the left side of your composition note. So write it in the left side of your composition note, children. So that's all from the question. Let's move on to the answer part of the composition to the right side. So we are going to write the right side of our composition, children, that is report writing. So in the right side also you have to write the same thing, that is exercise number 6, 2/11/20, report writing. So see here, first you need to write the title, that is student service to victims of fire. So write the title as student service to victims of fire by Sweetie Bharati Academy. So this thing should be written in the title in the center page of your composition note, children. So see here, student service to victims of fire by Sweetie Bharati Academy. So this should be written, children, as a title. Then see here, 28th October 2020. So this is the date you are just writing the report for your school magazine, children. So 28th October 2020, this should be written in the first. Then see here, now we are going to continue the report. A major slum area in Namakkal was gutted. Gutted means bitterly disappointed or upset. So a major slum area in Namakkal was gutted. Gutted means bitterly disappointed or upset by a massive fire. Massive means, as I told you in the question, from the question, massive means huge fire accident. Massive fire. On 12th October 2020, the fire, whose exact cause is still not very clear, caused extensive damage to life and property. So when the incident was happened, it was happened on 12th October 2020, and you are writing report for the school magazine on 20th October 2020. So be clear, children. So the fire, whose exact cause is still not very clear, caused an extensive damage to the life and property. So in this line, there is no clear idea about how it happened, but caused a huge damage to the life and the property of the people. So that is the meaning for this line, children. I'll repeat from the beginning. 28th October 2020. This is the date you are writing the report for the school magazine, children. Continue with that. A major slum area in Namakkal was gutted. Gutted means bitterly disappointed by a massive fire on 12th October 2020. On 12th October 2020, the fire, whose exact cause is still not very clear, caused extensive damage to life and property. So that is the line so far. Then see here, 10 persons. Look at the next line. 10 persons lost their lives. Many were injured and about 200 people were rendered homeless. So see here, this was the situation of that slum area. So 10 persons lost their lives. Many were injured. Injured means hurted. Many were hurted. Injured. 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 Many were injured and about 200 people were rendered. RENDERD. Rendered homeless. Without home. 200 people were homeless. So this is the situation of that major massive fire accident. Then look at the next line. Our school joined and relief. Our school joined, JOINED, join and relief, RELIEF, relief to the victims. Our school joined and relief to the victims. The students of our school get together and collected food packets, old clothes, medicines, utensils means vessels, etc., to be distributed, distributed, distributed to these homeless and helpless people. So I'll repeat this line. Our school joined and relief to the victims. The students of our school get together and collected food packets, old clothes, medicines, utensils, 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 etc., to be distributed to those homeless and helpless people. The next line. 10 students and 3 teachers personally visited this slum. 10 students and 3 teachers personally visited this slum. Solve from the first page of your report writing, children. So I'll repeat the paragraph again from the beginning. 28th October 2020, a major slum area in Namakkal was gutted by a massive fire. On 12th October 2020, the fire, whose exact cause is still not very clear, caused extensive damage to life and property. 10 persons lost their lives, many were injured, and about 200 people were rendered homeless. Our school joined and relief to the victims. The students of our school get together and collected food packets, old clothes, medicines, utensils, etc. to be distributed to these homeless and helpless people. 10 students and 3 teachers personally visited this slum. So this was the first page of our report writing, children. Let's move on to the next page. So children, that's all from the first page. So the next page of our report writing here. So write it in the right side of your composition note, children. So whenever you write the answer, that must be written in the right side of your composition. So I'll continue with that page. Then 10 students and 3 teachers personally visited this slum area to ensure proper and fair distribution of the items that had been collected, and thus provided some relief to these unfortunate people in their time of crisis and misery. So this is the last paragraph and lines of our report writing, children. See here, I'll repeat it again. 10 students and 3 teachers personally visited this slum area to ensure, ensure, ensure means to confirm the perfect and proper distribution, good and proper distribution. So proper and fair means good. FAIR, fair distribution of the items. Item means the collected things, that is known as items that had been collected. Items that had been collected, and thus, THUS, thus provided, PROVIDED, provided some relief. Relief means help. Some relief, RELIEF, relief to these unfortunate, for TU2, NATE, unfortunate people in their time of, in the time of crisis. Crisis means in the difficult situation. Crisis, CRISIS, crisis. And misery. Misery means sadness. MISERY, misery. Okay, children, I'll repeat these lines again. 10 students and 3 teachers personally visited this slum area to ensure proper and fair distribution of the items that had been collected, and thus provided some relief to these unfortunate people in their time of crisis and misery. So that's all from the report writing, children. Write neatly and follow the instruction properly. Write legibly and do the things carefully, children. So that's all from the report writing, children. So children, that's all from our composition part. So today we discussed exercise number 5 and 6, that is article writing and report writing, children. Write neatly, legibly, follow the instruction and do the things carefully, children.